The woodpecker, a remarkable bird, possesses captivating attributes that showcase its specialized adaptations. With sturdy beaks designed for drumming and probing, they excavate trees for insects and create distinct calls for communication. Amazingly, their brain structures absorb shock to prevent injury during intense drumming. Unique zygodactyl feet enable them to cling to vertical surfaces effortlessly. Woodpeckers play a crucial role in forest ecosystems by controlling insect populations and creating nesting cavities that benefit other species. Their distinctive behavior and adaptations make them a true testament to nature's intricate designs and the diversity of avian life.